How to enhance portraits using Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo from the top toolbar and choose a portrait image from your gallery, or capture a new one using the camera icon at the top right. Once the image opens in the editor, look for the Enhance tool from the bottom toolbar and tap on it. The Enhance option is part of Photoleap's premium tools and require a subscription to access. Inside the Enhance menu, you will find various options like AI Enhance, Skin Smoothing, Brightness, Sharpness, and more. These are specifically useful for improving the quality of your portrait. Start with AI Enhance to automatically boost overall clarity, lighting, and details in the image. The app will instantly analyze and enhance your photo with a single tap. Use Skin Smoothing to reduce blemishes and create a cleaner look. Adjust brightness to bring more light into the face, and use sharpness to highlight facial features like eyes and hair. Once you are happy with the enhancement, tap the check mark to apply all changes. And that's it. Now you know how to enhance portraits using Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.